Hey, this is Lee from Tillman in New Zealand, and today we're looking at the Star TSP100 version 3 printer. It doesn't really matter what version you've got, they all suffer from this problem. 1, 2, 3 and 4 all have this same issue. So what happens is you hear this graunching noise. Turn the printer on. If you try and feed it, it makes that horrible sound like that, and you'll find the printing ends up being all squished together. This is a very common issue with these printers, probably the most common thing we see that happens with them. So we'll get this apart and we'll show you what's going on. Okay, so here we go. This is the old one. You can see this should be a little piece comes out of here, which has been snapped off. It should be like this on the other side here. We have a look at the new one. You can see there's a piece there, as well as the one on this side. Okay, let's get this all screwed back together. Okay, so we've blown all the dust out. We always clean the thermal heads and give the sensors a clean, and clean the rubber roller as well while we've got it in pieces. And then we can screw it back together. Put this one on here. Put some paper in it, and let's see if it's good to go now. That feels like it's closing like it should be. Add some power. We can do the reset, so turn it off, hold down the feed button, turn on the power, and that will do the reset and test print. And that's sounding a lot more like how it should be. Very nice. Cool, thanks for watching.